before we move on to assembling our plank tabletop kit, first we're going to just lay out the planks to see kind of how we want these arranged. All of our planks are going to be made of the same 1-inch thick boards, but the widths are going to be different. So basically, I'm just looking to make sure that I don't have a bunch of skinny boards on one end and a bunch of wider boards on the other end. I want to make sure that it looks fairly even and spread out the whole way across the tabletop. You're going to have 2 end pieces, and the way you can tell them apart is they're going to have dowel holes on one long side, but not on the other for one of your end pieces, and that's the one that I have over here. And then for the other end piece, again, dowel holes on one side, not on another, and then this particular one will also not have pocket holes on the back. So you'll want to make sure that those 2 are on both ends of your tabletop. So we're going to move on, and I'm going to start by inserting my dowels into the dowel holes and then lining up my planks like that.